Hello everyone, this is Saurav and welcome to Orissa Post Live, and these are today's top headlines. Special Relief Commissioner Pradeep Jena informed Saturday, citing IMD reports that cyclonic storm Jawad in all probability will weaken into deep depression before reaching Puri. Earlier in the day, IMD DG Mrityunjay Mahapatra had also said that prior to reaching the Puri coast, cyclone Jawad will lose intensity and turn into a depression. Dr. Mahapatra also informed that wind speed of the depression will be around 50 to 60 km per hour instead of the 70 km per hour as earlier predicted. The regional office of the IMD in Bhubaneswar has said that due to the cyclonic storm Jawad, a large number of areas both in Bhubaneswar and Cuttack will receive heavy to very heavy rainfall both on December 4 and December 5. The IMD also said that there will be waterlogging in some parts of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. The Odisha government has identified 6,970 beggars in Odisha and is implementing a scheme called Sahaya for their welfare, Minister Ashok Chandra Panda said Saturday. He informed that there are 4,128 male and 2,842 female beggars in the 30 districts of Odisha. However, there are no child beggars. The East Coast Railway cancelled Saturday 36 trains for December 4 and 38 trains for December 5. This has been done in order to ensure safety of passengers due to the inclement weather that has hit parts of Odisha. A Zimbabwe returned 72-year-old man has been found infected with the Omicron variant of coronavirus in Gujarat's Jamnagar. This incidentally is the third Omicron case in India. His sample was sent for genome sequencing after he tested positive Thursday for COVID-19, an official of the Gujarat Health Department said. The Shiv Sena in its mouthpiece Samana has criticized West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her recent stand against the Congress. It said that creating an opposition alliance without the Congress will only strengthen the ruling BJP and fascist forces. The government has approved the plan for production of over 5 lakh AK-203 assault rifle at Korwa in Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. The project, worth Rs 5,100 crore, is in partnership with Russia. Mumbai-born New Zealand's left-arm spinner Ajaz Patel entered the history books by becoming only the third bowler to claim all 10 wickets in an innings of a test match. He achieved the feat Saturday, the second day of the second test in Mumbai against India. The two others who have achieved the distinction are England's Jim Laker and India's Anil Kumble. Ajaz Patel's historical feat may not be of any use after all, as New Zealand were bowled out for a paltry 62 in their first innings in the second test against India at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. Earlier, India, riding on Mayank Agarwal's knock of 150 and Akshar Patel's 52, had scored 325. India in the second innings were 69 without loss, an overall lead of 332 runs. Ravichandran Ashwin took 4 wickets and Mohammad Siraj 3 as the Kiwi batting collapsed. That's all for today's top headlines. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live.